Okay, in this video, I want to show you that match type +1 or -1 may actually have a use. Everything we've done so far basically has used match type 0. And why is that? Because you don't need the data to be sorted. But here's a good example of where you look for an approximate match. So match type -1, if you recall, +1 or -1 yields an approximate match. And our file will be most recent sales temp.xlx, whatever. And so the way match type +1 works is your data must be in non-decreasing order. And then you find a match would be the last thing that's basically, like if you want to match in a series of dates, December 20th, 2015, then if you look here, the match function with the +1 will give you here. Okay, it's the last date that's less than or equal to that. Because you may or may not know this, but Excel in dates is looking at days after January 1st, 1900. If I do Control-1 and I go to General on dates, you get numbers which are how many days after January 1st, 1900. Now, I don't really want it that way. And again, when I select a column, I use Control plus Shift plus down arrow. And you can do Control plus Shift right arrow to go to the right of your data. Okay, so what I want to do here is type in any date, and I want to find basically the most recent sales up to that date. Okay, so now how would that work? Okay, so if I type in 12/20/2015 as an example. Okay, then the answer should be December 19th, 2015. Now, how could I find that? So it works for any date that I would type in here. Okay, well, what I want to do is find the date, since these are in ascending order, these are dates of sales listed in chronological order. You can certainly sort to do that. And what I want to do is find the last date that comes on or before December 20th, 2015. And the answer here would be December 19th, 2015, looking at this. Of course, if I change the date, my answer would change. Well, let's find the row of the approximate match, which is the most recent sales, and then we could use our friend match and index together to find the most recent sales. So I would say match, and I want to match my date, and I want to do it. Where do I want to match it? In this entire column, do Control Shift down arrow, and then I don't put a 0, I put a +1 there, and it says 15. So even though there's no December 20th here, it says the 15th row going 6 through whatever, which is row 20, is the answer I want. And now I can use match and index. So I would pull off an index function. It's going to be this whole range. Oops, I forgot the equal sign. So it's going to be index function. Oops. It's going to be the whole range. Okay, now the row I want, I've got right here. And it's column 1 because there's only one column. And okay, now it's giving that dates after 1900, January 1st, 1900. Control-1, I can make this look the way I want, which is probably this way. Okay, so I got December 19th, 2015. Okay, although I guess it says 15 instead of, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now if I would say January 12th, 2016, what should I get there? I got January 4th, 2016, and that's right. Now, the only problem with this could be if I type in a date that comes earlier than what's on the list, like 1/1/2014, then there's no answer. And we need to not show the NA, but we'll learn about how to do that with if error. But what this video shows is the match type +1 or -1 can have a use. In other words, I don't want an exact match here. Okay? I want an approximate match. In other words, I want the last date that's on or before the date of interest, because that's the most recent sale. But the data does have to be sorted in the ascending order of dates. Okay, that's it for this video, and that'll complete our videos on VLOOKUPs, match, and index function. And I hope you've learned a lot of useful tricks from these, or just reviewed stuff that you knew and feel more confident about it.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.